This is a Bertonator's Videoation special report. From Bensenville, Illinois, here's Johnny Techman.
This is a video of right outside my apartment. It's about 1:30 a.m. I believe. And as you can see, we got like total whiteout conditions here. And the wind is just like blowing all over the place. I'm not sure I'm being heard or not, but whoops. You gotta be careful here. Here's some footprints I made and I can show how deep they are. If you look out there, it's like snow from the as far as the eye could see. This is like the most extraordinary storm I've ever seen in my life. Even our walls are covered with snow. The whole place is just amazing. This is just incredible.
This has been a Bertonator's Videoation special report. Thank you for watching.